The first step in crafting the life you want is to get rid of everything you don't. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Life is a great big canvas, and you should throw all the paint on it you can. Life is a journey, and if you fall in love with the journey, you will be in love forever. Great minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Small minds discuss people.
I will check again, but I am pretty sure we are supposed to read chapter 2. Farmers do not always receive the price for agricultural goods. Conferences are always scheduled on the third Wednesday of the month. The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in research projects. If you forget your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce. We've decided to ask you to write 4 short pieces of written coursework this year. The Drama Society is now auditioning for parts in the student play. International students can get help with locating housing near university.
He obviously expected me to answer the question in a few sentences.
Collaboration is a feature of a successful company. I am available this Thursday afternoon. Tuition fees will vary according to the field of study.
Excellent knowledge is needed for mathematics. The lecture will take place in the main hall. The field of journalism has been seeing job declines for decades. Both runners had pushed themselves to finish the race.
I went down into the cellar for more wine. This guidebook offers information on local customs policies.
The complicated problem is beyond my comprehension. Exam results will be published on the notice board. Humans use symbolic languages to communicate plans and contentions. Students will get their marks by the combination of both assessments and examinations. They demanded a refund on unsatisfactory goods.
Newspapers around the country are reporting the stories of the president. Social work is not the only subject in sociology. Telecommunication is based on the array of networks. To take this course, students should have basic subject knowledge. Today's lecture is cancelled because the lecturer is ill. Foods containing overabundant calories supply little or no nutritional value.
Keep your audience in your mind when writing an essay. A wide range of aspects are covered in this subject. Online courses enable people to improve their skills while employed. We have to reduce the use of our plastic material. At last, she passed the exam with a friend's help.
The output should be proportional to the input. The program has been successful since its inception. We have done everything we can to standardize the procedure. The sports team members often practice on weekdays and play games on weekends. You should be careful when searching internet sources. We must decide how to utilize the resources we have. The factory has achieved a steady growth in output. Teachers must keep a record of students' attendances. He picked up his bags and hurried across the courtyard. We are confident that the profits will be higher next year. There is no proof that the document is authentic.